Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to change a system language on this device. So first of all, you have to enter settings, scroll down to the bottom, then go to the other system settings, language and input methods, and then language. Here you have the whole list of languages which you can set your device in here. Let's select, for example, Ukrainska, and then change language. And as you can see, phone language changed to Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, you just go to the налаштування, then you go to the other system settings, мова та ведення, мова, and here you have to select English. And that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.